Yo, boss D just a check in. Yeah, man, my name Rice on hot, you know. Yo, I from day, you know, man. Me I make a fight, man. You know what boy do? Anytime boy see some me, I line up, you know what boy do now? Put one car in front him, so me and that the car that go line up. So me say, okay, I that you deal with. So me just talk to you, look a nigga, them man and them say, yo, I want to set up the race, you know. Anytime he push out, you know, any carry more line up with you know, man. And me and more go out there, you know. Peer run him a run up and down like a son look old mongrel dog. You understand? Yeah, man. Me just run him down, man. And just drop a big stone in his neck back, man. Boof, lick him down flat down there. Yeah, man. I make you know, say, yo, stay in your lane. Yeah, man. Boy, you look a common Z, man, I can go like you want to come style. Yo, if you know in lane, man, stay in your lane. And that me have to tell him. Yeah.
Watch out. Good. Pass it, you go pass him, watch it.